Okay, my name is Maria Del Palazzo, and this is Adeline the cook. There once was a girl named Adeline. She loved helping her mom with chores around the house. She helped feed the dog, dust the windows, and dry the dishes. One night, she wanted to help her mom cook dinner. Her mom said, "Oh, sweet Adeline, you're too little to help cook dinner." Adeline was very mad and ran off to her room screaming, "I just want to be a cook." She jumped on her bed and immediately fell into a deep sleep. Adeline woke up to the sound of people talking outside her bedroom window. They were speaking an unfamiliar language. As she looked outside, she noticed the buildings looked different than what she was used to. Most of them were covered with windows. To her surprise, she was in Tokyo, Japan. She stared into the house across the street where a family was having dinner. A little girl the same age was helping her mom and dad prepare sushi rolls. This made Adeline sad. She walked away from the window and laid back on her bed. As she gazed at her ceiling, her eyes became heavy and she fell back asleep. She said as she woke up to a scrumptious smell. She sat up in her bed, which happened to be in the middle of a bakery. A host came over to grab Adeline and ran to the back of the store. Adeline was wearing an apron and a name tag that said "Pastry" in block letters. "Did I work here?" she questioned. The host brought her to the kitchen and demanded she get right back to work. "I am a baker? I am a baker!" she exclaimed. What is a macaroon? She thought. Macaroons were foreign to her. She did not know what they were or how to make them, but she knew they smelled delicious. She stopped the host to ask, "What are macaroons?" The host laughed. "Oh, stop joking, Adeline. You invented the recipe. You are a genius for thinking of these French cookies." Adeline was stunned. She was a famous baker in France. After a long, hard day of work, Adeline dragged herself back to bed. She slept all throughout the night. When she woke up, she realized she was no longer in the bakery. She was in a room, but it was not her room. The room was bright yellow. Her sheets were bright yellow, and she was wearing a traditional Mexican dress. As she wandered downstairs, she saw herself in pictures hanging on the wall, but she did not recognize the people standing next to her. When she approached the living room downstairs, she was welcomed by a family. "Surely I am in the wrong house," she thought to herself as unfamiliar people stood in front of her. They walked to the kitchen where they met 8 more strangers. People came in from the front door, back door, and garage. As music played in the background, people continued to dance. A big guy in the kitchen yelled, "Dinner is served!" Adeline got in line behind a little girl. The girl looked like Adeline, but had darker hair and skin. "Hey, what's your name?" Adeline asked. "My name is Catalina. I like your dress." "Thank you," she responded. "Where are we?" "We're in Mexico City, Mexico." Catalina's mom came up in line and grabbed her to leave. "Goodbye, Adeline." "Bye." Suddenly, Adeline felt sad. Was Adeline sad because Catalina left? This is where we do a little turn and talk to have the students see what they thought Adeline was sad about. Adeline finally got up to the counter to get dinner. They had tacos for dinner. Adeline loved tacos. As she reached to grab a taco, it hit her. Her mom made the best tacos. Adeline realized she was not sad because Catalina left. She was sad that her mom was not there. "I miss my mom." I need to go home. Where am I? Adeline started to panic. Suddenly, she started to hear Adeline, 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 but no one was calling her name around her. Adeline, Adeline, Adeline! This time she woke up and recognized her room and the person standing in front of her. Adeline, sweetie, what were you dreaming about? Asked her mom. She got up and squeezed her mom so tight. I love you and I never want to leave. Her mom laughed. You'll never have to leave. I have tacos waiting downstairs. We cannot let the food get cold. Okay, can I help clean up the dishes? Asked Adeline eagerly. Of course you can. And that is how Adeline knew she would grow up to be a cook. The end.